Hey guys, okay, you guys are crazy. Why am I at 500 subs? Like, I really appreciate it. And I haven't posted in a month, so I'm not too crazy about YouTube, but I do have these whips. I have been drawing. I'm just busy with, school, because I'm still in school. And my inspiration sometimes goes in and out, but either way, thank you guys for 500 subs. Like, I appreciate every single one of you guys. So, here's some of my whips as an apology because I don't have anything this month. And I might try to do a little short form content so it's kind of easier to make. And so you guys aren't empty handed when it comes to my content. So, yeah, thank you guys. Really, I appreciate it.
Зупинить плин для нас і зламає смуток, щоб ніколи не настав час гіркої розлуки.
The hurricane came and devastation reigned. Our man saw his future dripping down the drain. Put a pencil to his temple, connected it to his brain, and he wrote his first refrain, a testament to his pain.
Okay, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. You remember me? I killed your family, and now.
A dragon.
Kill me if you desire, but you can never dirty my soul, wretched human.
Tell me, do you still want to live, dragon?
What?
A pact! There's no other way!
What makes you worthy of a pact with me?
Worthy or not, I wish to live. Despise me if you will, but I shall not die! Your answer! A pact or death!